Let's explore some of the poetic devices used on the poem Rain on the Roof. The poem Rain on the Roof by Coates Kinney uses several poetic devices to convey its themes and emotions. Here are some of the key devices. Imagery. Imagery. The poem uses vivid descriptions of nature such as humid shadows, starry spheres, and melancholy darkness to create a rich sensory experience. Personification. Personification. The poem personifies non-living things like darkness, which gently weeps in rainy tears, giving human-like qualities to abstract concepts. Onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia. Words like tinkle and patter imitate the sounds of raindrops, creating an auditory experience for the reader. Alliteration. Alliteration. Repeated consonant sounds such as starry spheres, busy being, and darling